Hi, I'm Alex. Let's learn English together.
Travel, check-in, luggage,
Shopping, paying, asking questions, meeting neighbors, chatting, having coffee.
Are you ready? Let's start learning.
Hello, good morning. I have a reservation for today.
Good morning. Let me see your passport and ticket, please.
Sure. Here is my passport and my ticket.
Thank you, Alex. Everything is fine. Your flight is on time. Your gate is gate 5.
Thank you very much. Excuse me, where is the luggage claim? I want to check in my bag.
Register bag. You can drop your bag here. It will go directly to the plane.
Great! Thank you! Excuse me, can you tell me where the bathroom is?
Sure. Go straight, then turn left. You will see the signs.
Thank you very much. Okay, I have my ticket. My bag is checked in. I know where the bathroom is. I am ready for my flight. Excuse me, how much is this apple? I want to buy 2, please. Are they fresh today?
Hello. Yes, these apples are fresh. 2 apples will be $3 in total.
Great, thank you. Can I pay with my card?
Of course. Please tap your card here.
Done. Thank you very much. Hi. How are you today? My name is Alex. I just moved into the apartment next door.
Hello, Alex. I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you. I'm doing well, thank you. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. It's a beautiful day, isn't it?
Yes, it's lovely. Perfect weather for a coffee.
Do you live here long? I like your garden. It looks amazing.
Oh, thank you. I've lived here for 5 years. I really enjoy gardening.
That's great. I just moved here and I'm trying to make my small balcony nice too.
You'll do fine. It's fun to decorate and plant flowers.
Would you like to have a coffee sometime?
Sure. That would be nice.
I can show you some tips for gardening too.
Perfect. Thank you so much. I'm happy to meet a friendly neighbor.